Welcome to our designer tutorial. Let's get started. Before you become a hotshot designer, take a minute to register for an account. Just click on the login icon at the top of the screen. Registration is free and only takes a minute. Once you're registered, click the Design Now button on any of the templates on our site. This will open the designer. You'll notice in the middle of your screen the artboard. Above that, the toolbar. To the right, the Pages panel, and below that, the Layers panel. The artboard is where you see any changes you make to the template. The pink area on the artboard is the trim area. Anything in this area will be trimmed off the final document. The Pages panel indicates how many pages the document has and which page is currently selected. The highlighted page is the one that is currently displayed. For some templates, we can change the theme color by clicking the background button and choosing a new color. On the toolbar to the right, you will see a zoom slider. You can use the slider to zoom in and out of the document. You can hide the Pages and Layers panel for a better view of the artboard. To turn them back on, click the Pages and Layers button on the toolbar. The Layer panel contains all the text and images that make up your template. Each text and image element is called a layer. Each layer represents a text box or an image on the artboard. If you click a layer on the Layer panel, it will become highlighted on the artboard. Layers are in order of top to bottom. The order indicates which layer will appear above or below another. The logo appears above the text because it's at the top of the Layer panel. If the logo is moved downward below the text box on the Layer panel, the logo now appears below the text. The order can be rearranged by clicking and dragging the arrows. You can copy layers and delete layers you don't want. To copy, click the copy icon on the layer you want to copy. To delete, click the red X on the layer you want to delete. If you accidentally delete something or make a mistake, just click the undo button to go back one step. Layers on the artboard can be repositioned, rotated, resized, and stretched. Reposition layers by clicking and dragging them around the artboard. Rotate layers by clicking and rotating the square handle extending from the layer. Resize layers by clicking and dragging the corner squares on the layer. Stretch layers by clicking and dragging the side squares on the layer. Text layers can be edited in two ways: by clicking on them in Layer panel and typing in the Edit Text box that appears above the Layer panel, or double-clicking the text on the artboard. You can change the font style, size, alignment, and color by selecting the options on the toolbar. To add a new text layer, click the Text button. Okay, we're almost done. You can add shapes and images to your document. To add a shape, click the Shapes button and choose the shape you'd like to add. To add images from your computer, click the Image button, then the Upload Image button. You can also add an image from our clip art selection or find an image you've already uploaded in the local storage. If you need to crop an image, like this image, which is too long, click the Crop tool on the layer that needs cropping. The cropping window will open. Select the area you want cropped and click the green arrow. Now press the Apply button. The cropped image is now in the document. Once you've checked your document to make sure everything is in place and all the spelling is correct, it's time to save your work. Click the Save Design button above the toolbar. You'll now see your design in the Saved Designs section. Click the Rename button, then rename your document. You can make a copy of your document by clicking the Duplicate button. And that's it! Wasn't that easy? You're officially a designer. For further questions, feel free to contact us at 876-927-8799 or email us at info@copycatjm.com.